you have two bolts here. You have your plug here for plugging it in, and then up here you have the clip that clips in here. So here you can see where it clips in. It clips in with them two clips. So you don't need to remove the handle to get it out. So let's see. So we'll prise this one out. There you go. So we have her up now. And once you get it up, then there's a little cable in there that slides down. So you slide that in like that and down. So you don't need to unhook the handle, you know, to put in these. You can put in the lock from here.